There are two main arguments on both sides of the prisoner vaccination issue. Morally, do criminals deserve to be vaccinated before law-abiding citizens? And medically, do healthy prisoners need to wait for their vaccination like healthy people on the outside? Prisoner advocates say inmates are 5 times more likely to get COVID than anyone else.
Because the prison systems are understaffed and overpopulated, you also have you've created a system where there is not a place to properly quarantine people.
It's like near to impossible to limit that exposure on the inside. I mean, really think about it. If your cellie has it, where are you going? They just lock both of you in the room.
According to the DOC's COVID dashboard, more than 10,000 Wisconsin inmates have tested positive for coronavirus. 25 died, 192 were released to the public while positive. The highest number of COVID cases were reported at Racine Correctional Facility, the same district as State Senator Van Wanggaard, who authored the bill that would push young and healthy prisoners to the back of the vaccination line.
We don't want to see anybody die. I don't want anybody to succumb to it. But I think this is a reasonable way to address the issue. I would be really upset if a 20-year-old got the vaccine and I was a 60-year-old rape victim that I couldn't get it because there wasn't enough vaccine.
Whether or not they've made a decision that has landed them in prison, they still have a right to their safety and their health. If
Sure.
we're not vaccinating even the healthy young prisoners, are we sentencing them to more than just prison time? Are we sentencing them to an illness?
No, I don't buy that argument. I don't buy that argument that we're sentencing them to anything.
Caroline joins us live now outside of Milwaukee's secure detention facility downtown. Caroline, when would older or sick inmates get their shots?
Well, if prisoners no longer have priority under this bill, sick or older prisoners would be vaccinated in the same groups as those who are not incarcerated.